This electric iron is not eating. Most people assume the iron is bad. But before replacing anything, we test. No beep, the fuse is blown. Continuity mode saves time. Continuity mode checks for very low resistance. If the part is closed, it beeps. If the part is opened, it stays silent. This is a new fuse, 13 amps. Good fuse. So I'll go ahead and replace this fuse now with this new one. So that means the reason why this iron is not eating is because of this blown fuse. So I'll go ahead and replace it. So you can see with the help of continuity test, in less than 1 minute, I've been able to detect the fault of this electric iron. So to test for continuity, you switch this dial to this symbol here for continuity test. Let me change the fuse. Good. Now this is a modified sine wave inverter. This inverter has no input. So I'll try to troubleshoot it now. And I'll use this continuity test to detect the primary fault. Now I'll open it. This is the fuse. So I'm going to test it now to try to troubleshoot it if the fault is from this fuse. So I'll just... So you can see no beep, meaning there is no connection or this circuit is open. That is why there is no beep. That means this fuse is bad. So definitely the fault of this inverter is from this fuse. That's why for any electrical appliance or device, before assuming major damage, always check simple components first, like fuse and some major resistor, because that might even be the fault. And with the help of continuity test, you can always know that and detect that. Now, this extension socket is no longer working. With the help of this continuity test, I will detect the fault. I will troubleshoot this extension socket now. Now, you can see the second, which means even with... So you can see there's a break in connection. So I'll open this extension socket now. I've opened it. Now you can see. Look at this place. Take a look at this. This wire is damaged here. It has gotten burnt out. Probably they were using this extension socket to carry load more than what it is designed for. So I'll replace this now. So you can see the reason why after testing this, why there was no continuity is because of this place that is damaged. So you can see, so there can never be continuity. So because of that, for this place, there can never be continuity. It can never work. Now, we all understand that no beep means broken connection. Now, we all understand that we can use the continuity test to test switches, to test broken wires, to find blown fuse. That's one aspect of troubleshooting an electrical component or device or equipment. Thank you very much for watching. Now in the next video, I'll teach you how to test diodes and common components properly. Subscribe to Electrosphere. Thank you very much for watching.